Morning, gentlemen. I've got a serious problem with my Mercedes. It backfires when you use power on when you take off or pull off at the robot, and it misfires. It sounds if it's run only on two cylinders, and loss of power and a lot of backfiring. So there's a lot of stuff I need to remove and check where the problem might be. It might be the throttle body, it might be a dirty that valve there, it might be leads, plugs, vacuum leak. So I'll take you through the steps, but here's some serious autopsy need to take place today here on this car. Okay gents, I'm so far now. I removed all the plugs and also the mass airflow meter and the air pipe to the throttle body. And the first thing that I've discovered is that there's 3 plugs that look okay. That one is not so bad, but this one, it's the back one there at the engine, it's look sort of dead for me. So maybe this is the problem, but I will investigate further for any air leaks or vacuum leaks, and also clean the throttle body. But it doesn't look too bad for the first view. Okay, and here is the throttle body. I will clean this out with carburetor cleaner. It is a brand new one. It's about well, brand new. I bought it new about a year ago. Gents, what I discovered so far is when I removed this cover that sits here in the front, look how that connector looks. Maybe that is dirty and full of oil and doesn't make good contact, and I believe this is the advanced retard for idling. You would probably know better, but I'm going to clean this as well as that sensor there, and see if that makes a difference. Right, gentlemen, I'm ready to test it now. I've checked all the spark plugs. It fires, so there's nothing wrong with the coil packs, and so the plugs is back and the packs is back. Now I'm going to put back this airflow for the mass airflow sensor, because it must be in line. I'll just put up this pipe here, or this area, and then give it a test to see if there's some sparks maybe flying here around. Okay.